Good morning and welcome back. Well, college students may think they're immune to much of what life throws at them, but the flu can hit anyone hard. Marilyn Michels is here this morning from Gunderson Health System to tell us a little bit more about flu numbers related to college students. Now, Marilyn, this is just in general. About 36,000 flu-related deaths in the United States each year. Ebola may be grabbing the headlines, but that number is kind of staggering.
That's correct. Influenza is going to be something that we're going to be seeing. We're seeing it in our community today. The east side of the state and the south side of the state is seeing quite a bit of influenza activity. And college students are particularly at risk because they live in a communal setting and they do a lot of sharing in their dorms, close study activities, social activities that are more intimate than the general population. And this is a good time for them to get their flu shot. Also, they're going to be coming home at Christmas time during their Christmas break, and you don't want them to be bringing those germs into the household. So it's a good thing that they get their flu shot now. Hopefully they'll be protected by the time they come home at Christmas. And also, you don't want them to be at risk of getting influenza and having them be out of school for a week and a half and impacting their studies.
Now, is college students getting vaccinations, is that something we generally see, or is that something healthcare professionals are making more of a push to get done?
Well, we've been trying to encourage healthy people to get the influenza vaccine for the last several years, and it's particularly important for college students.
Now, with the flu, a lot of people can mistake it for a cold. What are some of the differences, the signs and symptoms there?
Well, for influenza, you'll have that rapid onset of not feeling well with a fever, body aches, headache, where with the cold virus, it tends to be more of an upper respiratory presentation. You may also have that with influenza, but it comes along with many other things.
So with getting the flu vaccine, if you haven't done so already, where can you go for that, particularly if you are a college student?
Well, college students now with the Affordable Care Act tend to be covered underneath their parents' insurance plan, so cost should not be an issue. They may get it at their student health center if it's not available there. Many drugstores have it. Without an appointment, your local clinicians will have it. Express clinics, urgent care settings will tend to have the vaccine.
So it's something pretty prevalent anybody can get, so really not much of a reason to go without it this holiday season.
I can't think of a good reason not to get a flu shot.
All right, Marilyn, thank you so much for joining us this morning to talk about this issue with flu and college students, something they may not be thinking about necessarily, but certainly an important thing over the holiday season.